That's the stream we were at earlier. That's the water. That's a rock. We're gonna climb some of these rocks.
You need to go first so you don't fall and bust your ass?
No, 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 no. I can do it without busting my ass. Oh shit. I hope so. Ah.
Not looking too good right now.
Shut up. Shut up. I have flip-flops on, you jerk. You take the hard way. I'm taking the easy way. Look at that idiot. He went up there, came around down. Alright. Look at me. I'm going right there.
I'm ahead of you, aren't I?
Because I waited to see, make sure you were okay. Oh, look at that idiot. Ah. I'm grabbing onto trees and bushes and rocks and amongst other random junk. Back over here, we're getting closer. Daniel's still showing off, but we're getting there. We're getting there. Look at that. Look at it. Goes right down there. Oh, and by the way, it's still raining. I have nowhere to put my foot. All right, I'm okay.
Where's it now?
I get to the end and I fall over. It's wonderful. Oh no, we're going down there like we usually do.
All right.
After you. He slipped. I caught it on camera. No, no, where are you going? What do you mean, easier way? I'm on the rock. Drake on a rock. That was a jerk move. Alright, this time I'm going to take you closer to the action. Stay with me as I go through this perilous journey.
I want to sit down. I'll get my ass wet.
Whoa, 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 whoa. You getting this? Look at it. Ah! I'm getting sprayed in the face like no tomorrow. It was misty. What? It was misty. All right, we're getting out of here so I don't die in the Amazon. Bye.